Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes 3 fixes Windows 11 locking itself automatically. First method is click Start, Settings, click System. Click Power, click Screen and Sleep Timeouts. Select to Never. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Lock Screen. Uncheck on Resume Display Log on screen. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Select Never to All Settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.